Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your documents. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Google territories into your Bit documents. Open up Google Territories and create a territory map. Then click on the Share button. On the Share pop-up, click on the Change button. Change the link access settings and copy the link. Now head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the Google territories inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ popular applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.